Unlocking the secrets of depth of the water. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to make learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often pops up in both literal and metaphorical contexts: depth of the water. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these expressions can significantly enrich your language journey. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets together. When we talk about the depth of the water, we're referring to the measurement from the surface of the water down to the bottom. This concept is crucial in various contexts, such as swimming, boating, or any water-related activities. Knowing the depth can help ensure safety and guide us in choosing the right spot for our activities. For instance, a deeper area might be suitable for diving, while shallower waters could be ideal for children to play in. Beyond its literal sense, depth of the water is also used metaphorically to describe the complexity or seriousness of a situation. When someone says, "We're in deep water," they're not talking about swimming but rather indicating that they're in a difficult or complicated situation. This metaphorical usage enriches the language by allowing us to express the intensity of circumstances without directly stating them, making conversations more engaging and vivid. To help you master this phrase, let's look at some examples of how to use depth of the water in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Literal. Before jumping off the boat, make sure to check the depth of the water to avoid any injuries. Metaphorical. Taking on too many projects at once can really put you in deep water if you're not careful. These examples show how versatile the English language can be, allowing you to convey precise information or illustrate complex ideas with just a few words. And there you have it. We've explored the depth of the water, diving into both its literal and metaphorical meanings. Understanding phrases like this not only enhances your vocabulary but also helps you navigate through English with greater ease and confidence. We hope this video has deepened your understanding and appreciation of the language. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations and writings. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.